Hi guys, it's your girl Janet. Welcome back to my channel. Please remember to like, share, comment, and do the thing and subscribe.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Janet. Today's Monday and I'm running a little errand. I'm going to the doctor's to do my smear test. Yes, it's uncomfortable, but ladies, we've got to do it. You've got to do it too. Come on, we have to do it to know what's inside, what's going on inside of us. So I'm going to do my smear test. Uncomfortable, as I said before, but it's got to be done. And then after, I'm going to run to Costco, do my monthly water shop. And I'll see you when I get to Costco.
Never really know what's going on. Look at me sometimes like all you want to do is run. Hear me out, hear me out. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Losing almost all my energy. It's getting hard to talk to you, and I'm the only one who speaks. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. Here we go, turning all the wrongs into rights. Here we go, you can take me there tonight. Whoa, this life is all we know. Whoa, I can't stay if you can't let it go. I never really know what's going on. And even when you're next to me, I feel like you were gone. It's all the things you never show. There are the things I want to know. Secrets start in your heart so slow. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know. But if you don't wanna tell me now, I guess I'll never know.
Today So sunny. So sunny. Now the car is well packed. And now it's food time. So we got the drink and the hot dog. Gonna eat and then I'll go home.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set them rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. One day I'll be something from nothing. Life changes, just open the door. One thing's certain, I won't be yours. I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be
Hi, I just came in back from dinner with my son and family. It was amazing. We went to this place called Big Easy, I think. Can't remember. But guess what? It was so nice. The food was spot on. 10 out of 10. Was a lot. But the atmosphere was good. I would recommend that place. It's in Westfield. It was nice. We had a good time. My boy's birthday. Well, it's time to take off this makeup, get myself ready, have a shower, and go straight to bed. If you reach this far in my video, thanks for watching. If you're new, do the thing and subscribe and join the family. And thank you for watching. Remember, it's your girl Janet. Thank you. Just remember to leave a comment and press the thumbs up.